Exercise 37, page 74, question number 3. This is an extension activity exercise. So questions 1 and 2, you can get how to do those from the work problems. Question number 3, though, may be worth starting you off on. So again, we would use the substitution. We'd let 1 over p equal x, say, and we let 1 over q equal y. So we could write 1 over 2 times p times x rather, plus getting 1 over p equals x, plus 3 over 5 times y equals 5. Using the fact that if 1 over p equals x, and we can also, if you remember back to here, 1 over 2p can be thought of as 1 over 2 times 1 over p, and then we're letting 1 over p equal x, so that's where the half x comes from in here. Similarly, we can write the second equation, 5 over p, as 5 times 1 over p, or 5x, minus, again, 1 over 2q can be thought of as a half of 1 over q, which is a half of y, and that equals 35 over 2. So same sort of idea as you would probably have used in questions number 1 and 2. So let's call those equations 1 and 2, but this may be worth thinking about this for the next step. We never have fractions in here, so in other words, we've got a 2 underneath here, this fraction here, the 2, and similarly we've got a 5 underneath here. Well, how do I get rid of the 2 underneath? Multiply by 2. So in equation 1, if I multiply equation 1 by 2, I'd get rid of that 2 underneath for the x term. So multiplying equation 1 by 2, we get x plus 2 times 3/5 is 6/5, y equals 2 times 5 is 10. So that's got rid of the 2. How do we get rid of the 5? Multiplied by 5. So multiply right through by 5, and we get rid of the 5 underneath in the y term. So 5 times x is 5x, plus 6 over 5 times 5 just gives us a 6. 5 times 10 is 50. And so that gives us an equation now very similar to the straightforward simultaneous equations we've been looking at. I might call that equation number 3. And I can do a similar thing for equation number 2 to get rid of the 2 underneath. And then I've got a far more straightforward simultaneous equation to solve. So I'll stop there and you can carry on from that point.